So if you are looking for the mist effects in CapCut, then keep watching the video. You will learn that how to apply mist effects in CapCut. First of all, you need to drag the video to the timeline. Click on the plus icon. This is an example video and you want to apply mist effect on this video. And then go to the effects and click on the video effects. And here you need to type mist and click, and here is the some mist effects. For example, I am applying this mist effects and I'll be drag to the media and play it how it looks. It looks not good because the entire screen is covered with the mist, so we need to adjust that. So click on the mist and on the right side you will see a basic tab and on the is the mask tab. Then click on the add mask, and after that you need to click on the film strip, and here you need to adjust the position. For example, I am applying on this part of the video just to adjust, and click on this arrow to the drag to the upper side, and now play it how it looks, and here you can see that the mist is applied. Further, if you want to change the position, you can also change the position to wherever you want, and you can see that this beautiful mist effects enhances the quality of your video. So I hope you understand how it works. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.